In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit workflow in Go High Level. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your workflows, adjust what triggers them, fine-tune each action, and keep everything organized so your automations run smoothly. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Go High Level. Click the official result to reach the site, then choose the option to log in to the app. On the sign-in page, enter your login details. Or, if it's easier, use the Sign In with Google option. Make sure you're on a secure connection and using the correct account so your changes apply to the right place. Once you're in, you may see multiple sub-accounts if you manage different brands or clients. Click the prompt that says, "Click here to switch," then select the specific account you want to work on. This ensures you're editing the correct workflow and prevents accidental changes elsewhere. In the left sidebar, head to Automations. This is your command center for all automated sequences. Next, select Workflows. You'll see a list of your existing workflows, each representing a sequence of actions that run based on specific conditions. Find the workflow you want to modify, click the three-dot icon to open the context menu and choose Edit Workflow. This brings you into the Workflow Builder, where the structure is laid out visually from top to bottom. At the top, click the Workflow Trigger. This is what starts the automation. You can add filters or switch the event type, for example, changing from Form Submitted to Survey Submitted. Take a moment to review any filters like form names, tags, or sources. The trigger determines who enters the workflow and when, so it's worth double-checking to avoid enrolling the wrong contacts. Next, click any action step in the diagram to edit it. On the left-hand sidebar, you can update email subject lines and body text, tweak SMS content, or adjust wait times. Keep your messaging clear and consistent with your brand voice, and verify that timing makes sense, like adding a brief wait before a follow-up for a more natural experience. If you need to add something new, use the plus icon to insert another action at the right point in the sequence. To clean things up, hover over an existing step and click the trash can icon to remove it. Be deliberate when deleting to avoid breaking an intentional path. To reorganize, click and drag the handles on any action to move it up or down. Workflows run in order, so ensure the sequence reads logically from top to bottom. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. Your workflow edits are now in place.